How's it going, guys? Welcome to the fourth video in this data cleaning series, and today we're going to do something really interesting with the injury column right here. So I have this injury column right here, and imagine we want to do some sort of analysis to find out which body parts is more attacked by the sharks. Okay, so that would mean that we need to isolate all the body parts from these texts here. So that would mean that we need to have a column that says body parts, and then we need to come, for example, in this fourth row, we need to isolate leg, and also we need to isolate hand. Then we need to isolate arm, and also we need to isolate leg over here. You get the idea. So we basically need a column that says, okay, these are the body parts that have been affected. So we need to extract those body parts. Now, one way we can do that is we can create a conditional column in Power Query. So in Power Query, you can go over to your add column and click on conditional column. Now this is one way to do this, and once we have that, we can name this body parts or any name that is more suitable. So column name, we say injury, and then operator, so we say contains, and then value, let's say we want to extract hand, small letter, and then the output should be capital letter, and then we can add another clause. Let's say we want to extract leg, injury contains leg, we want the output to be leg. Now we can come over here and say else null. So if the column doesn't contain hand or leg, just fill it with null. Okay, so let's see what that looks like. And now we have a column that has extracted. Actually, let me pull this closer so we can have a better look. Now we can see here that this row contains hand, and it has extracted the hand for us. And also this row contains hand, this one contains leg, and so on and so forth. So basically, the more body parts you use in the conditional column, the more body parts you're going to get. Okay, so another interesting way I personally prefer to handle this issue is using the M code or the M language. So to use the M code, you go over to the home and open up the advanced editor, and we can see this is all the code. This is the underlying code responsible for all the operations we've been doing since in Power Query, all the data cleaning steps. So we can go ahead and edit this code accordingly so that it will extract the body parts we want from the injury column. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and paste the code right now. And right now I have carefully pasted the code that we're going to use to do that. So what this code is basically saying is if the injury column contains leg, or if it contains leg or contains legs, then I want the output to be leg. Okay, so if it's containing arm or arms, I want it to give me arm in a new column. Okay, so let's see how that looks like. And we have successfully created that column with the extracted body parts. So obviously, if you want it to be more accurate, you need to input more body parts. Okay, so that would require you to go over to sort of study the column properly and find all sorts of body parts listed here. So for example, I can see that there is forearm, so we can edit the M code to sort of extract the forearm for us. Okay, and we can also do the calf. So the calf here, injuries to left calf. So basically the idea is the more body parts you input in the code, the more accurate it's going to get. Okay, so that will be all for this video, and this is our output here. Okay, so this is basically saying if that column contains hand, I want hand in body parts. If that column contains finger, I want finger in body parts. If it contains foot or foots, I want foots in this body parts column here. Okay, so that will be all for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next video where we go about cleaning these other columns. Till next time, guys.